Holy enchiladas. I've been working all night and I've been getting my computer back to the way it was. I got mostly all the programs back. I got my GOXLR back. I got it mostly working. Like I'm starting to figure out how to do the whole routing process. Um, I'm definitely gonna have to look up a good guide on how to route GoXLR with OBS and their audio settings. Like that's all confusing to me, especially since I only have one um, output on the computer for like either music or game or chat or mic. So it's kind of confusing. I don't know. I'll figure it out eventually, though. Besides that, I think the only thing I'm pissed off about is that I lost my Thinkorswim profile. That thing was awesome. Like I had it set up so well to like earn me penny stocks. Like I had an awesome scanner. I had an awesome profile with like two screens. Um, four of them were with charts, and then like I had like all my hotkeys ready just so that way I could instantly buy or sell stocks, and it was working great. Now I gotta uh, thank God I like bookmarked all like those helpful sites that helped me set up the Thinkorswim the first time. So hopefully I'll be able to figure it out all again. But who knows? I might be missing some stuff and some information. I definitely got to go back through my technical analysis book and pick up some more knowledge from there on trading stocks. Uh, I'm sticking mostly with technical analysis for stock trading because um, the other one, what's it called? Give me a second. Yes. Fundamental analysis. That's a tough one. Like you got to go through like the company's like whole background information, everything, their budget, how much they're making, and you know what's their quarterly earnings and all this different um, information, like mathematical information that really kind of goes over my head. So it's a little bit simpler with technical analysis, yet more a little. I figure a little bit more riskier because you're going by trends, not by complete statistics about the company. Even though you should research the company before you invest, because you never know what might happen. But definitely do some research before you put money into a stock. You don't want that thing to just go up and burn. Like so a lot of traders, they pump up stocks and then they just dump them all and get the get the return on the downside. But uh, whatever. Uh, right now, I'm just mostly concentrating on get getting all the paperwork done for this job, so that way I could get started, start saving my money, and hopefully I'm hoping within a year, I'll have my business up and running. Maybe less than that if I could save up enough money. It shouldn't take too much money to save up to get this thing up and running, but yeah, definitely got to start work before, or at least get a serious job before I can really put some effort into this business, this side business that I'm trying to create. But yeah, that's all for now. Just wanted to let you guys know what progress I made since yesterday, and I'm pretty happy with it. Like, I feel my microphone's working a little bit better now.
At the 25, breaks a couple of tackles. Headline go! Headline go! He could go all the way.
Yeah, I got all my samples in, you know?
I drink your milkshake. I drink it up.
Love that line. Such a great movie. There will be blood, if anybody doesn't know. Watch it. It's so good. Oh man. What's the name of that actor? Um Something Lewis. Uh Daniel Lewis, I think it was. I'm pretty sure it was him. Yeah. Such a great actor. If that's the guy I'm thinking about. The guy from There Will Be Blood. He is so freaking good. Like I love his movies. They're very dramatic, most of them at least. And I also like Matthew McConaughey movies because he has a wide range. You know, he plays serious roles, he plays, funny roles, he plays all sorts of roles. Like what's that movie where with him and Leonardo DiCaprio where DiCaprio was made that huge Ponzi scheme. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Oh man, I love that scene. All right. Well, I'll check in with you guys later. Hope you guys have a wonderful morning and peace out for now. I'll let you know how the progress goes with the computer maybe later today or tomorrow, depending. Uh, like I said, I got to get my Thinkorswim back up and running. Maybe I could do a couple of trades every now and then just to, keep my skills back up. But for now, all is well. Everything seems to be working. Still downloading some programs that are missing, but I got all the main ones that are important for me to keep on working, especially Adobe. Adobe is important to me as well as, um, my Wacom tablet, which I like to draw on sometimes just for fun because I can't really draw like professionals, but it's fun, just figuring out all the buttons and everything that you could do with it and, working with layers and all. But that's for another time. So I'll be seeing you guys. Have a great morning. Peace out. One love. All right.